I got a box here from Friday Parts. I ordered a new compressor. Here's the old one. Here's the old one I took out. Here's the new one that came out of the box. Let's get that put in now. So I got the new one put in right now. So we got the compressor all back in, the belt is all tightened up, so I'm gonna hop in and fire it up. The technician came and charged everything up, so let's turn it on right now. Let's hop in the tractor now. Ooh, we're starting to get some cold air, I like it. So the compressor's all set, everything's charged up and works good now. I gotta put this hood and the screens back on and stop confiscating space in his garage and get this back out to the field.